If you would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. First, I'm patting in the eyeshadow firmly and then swiping over to blend and also extend the coverage. Now I'm just applying this orange shade on top of the purple, and I'm getting half of it on top of the purple and the other half on my skin, and just patting it in and then blending it out. Next, I'm going to reapply the purple in a downward motion to help with the blending of the two shades. Next, I'm going to mix Rubble and Bam Bam and apply it to my outer corner to darken it up. Ignore the white eyeshadow. I will be replacing that with this green later on. Make sure you're patting the shade in and not swiping, because you want to get most of that pigment on your eye first and then go back and blend. Now you want to reapply both greens as much as needed. I applied mine 3 to 4 times. Okay, here I'm just mixing in Rebel and Bam Bam and applying it to the end of my cut crease, blending that out into the darker green. And again, don't worry about that white eyeshadow. I'm going to replace that with the neon green because I had so much trouble actually getting that color to show. Here I'm outlining my cut crease with a white eyeliner. This is optional. I had a hard time. This was my first time doing this, so yeah, it's gonna be a little janky, but yeah, you live and you learn. So I'm just practicing. Here, I'm just prepping my under eye for eyeshadow. I'm just placing concealer under there and I'll pat it out using a brush. Alright, after this, I'm just gonna apply some mascara and put on my lashes. And here's the final product. Alright guys, this is the end result. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified every time I post. And again, I will see you in my next video. Bye.